Are you still making big losses in Forex? Don't worry, after this video, you will limit big losses in your Forex trading career. Hello guys, this is UJ Forex. Join me as I teach you how to avoid big losses in the Forex market. If I come to you and ask you to buy a system that has a losing rate of 70% and a win rate of 30%, you won't likely buy it. Why? Because the losses is much, right? But in reality, the losses are small, but the win rate is 30%. For instance, if that software loses $100 for like 7 times, and 7, that is about $700, and then next time it made 500 profits 3 times, that's about 1,500, right? So that system is successful. One of the mistakes most of us make in forex trading is not cutting our losses. A lot of us hold losses too long. Sometimes I just wonder, why would somebody hold losses for too long, and then at the same time, when you are in profit, you cut short your profit. So sometimes I wonder why some traders trade that way. So develop a system that limits your losses. When you lose little, but if eventually that trade goes your way, you make so much money. That is my strategy. You make so much money. You get. So I'm going to show you how I calculate, like for this trade now, how I calculate my stop losses. Just see how I calculate my stop loss. So this is how I calculated my stop loss. In this trade, my entry was 6744.29 and my stop loss was 6740.67. So what I did was my entry minus my stop loss gave me $3.66. So $3.66 now times my position, the loss size I use, 10.0. So I was losing $36.6 per entry. So times 4 positions, I was losing $146.4 total. So ensure you don't play with your stop losses. Very, very important. So number 2 thing a successful trader does is they plan their exit strategy. Before you even take a trade, ensure you plan your exit strategy. I find out that to exit a trade is even more tedious than to enter a trade. You can easily enter a trade, but you don't know where to exit from. So it is always very, very important that you know where you are exiting from. You can exit your trade from the nearest support. Yes, from the nearest support or from the nearest resistance. Very, very important. You need to plan this, to have this in mind. One of the most successful strategy you can use to exit a trade is trailing stop losses. This one works very well. You can trail your stop losses. Multiple times I see some traders, they will hold profit up to maybe $1,500, and then the profit will retrace back to massive loss. That shouldn't have happened if you had planned your trade successfully. So number 3 thing is the professional traders diversify. There are some traders that they only trade sell throughout their lifetime. Some of them trade only buy. Some of them only trade consolidation market. Some of them only trade some certain time zone. As a successful forex trader, you need to be versatile. You need to, whether the market is trailing up, you can trail. While the market is trailing down, you can join. While the market is consolidating, you can look for a good entry and join. So that's one of the things that makes you a successful trader. Number 4 character of a successful trader is they let the trend to be their friend. A lot of us don't understand trend. How can you see a daily candle showing you a buy or a bullish is showing a bullish signal, and then you are looking for a sell signal on the smaller time frame? No, you follow the trend. All you need to do is you draw your analysis to correspond with the daily time frame, because the daily time frame shows that in one full day, in the 24 hours, this candle is buying. That means in a long run this candle is buying. So going to go and look for a signal of sell in the smaller time frame is like you want to blow your account. So it's not supposed to be like that. So the last thing that I want to teach you, the last character of a successful trader, is they master their emotion. Look, synthetic indices, currency, stock, whichever of them, commodities, cryptocurrency, all these things work with emotions. If you master your emotion, if you have mastered your emotions, you will not lose money in forex like that. Of course, losses is inevitable, but not the way you will be losing, like blowing off your account. No, it won't happen. So you need to master emotions. Sometimes you enter a trade and then you have already set out that you're going to exist at this nearest support based on you have seen a very good profit, and then maybe you are expecting some huge amount. You have made 1,500 and your emotion comes into play and tells you that, oh, this market is going to keep selling more than this. So you keep holding, not knowing that the market will retrace badly. You get? So you need to check, put this in check. Very, very important. You need to master emotion. If you conquer emotions, I don't think there's any forex currency or commodity that will be able to win you or put you down. So you need to master psychology. You need to put, if you cannot master psychology, you can go for automated things like automated stop loss, automated take profit, just all those things that will make you to master your emotions. It's really, really important when you master emotion. Anytime you make losses, take it. That is how the market happened. Don't fight the market. Don't revenge the market. When you master, if you can master this at you will succeed after now. Trust me. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Bye. Peace out.